Hello traders. Today I'll make a withdrawal video because few people send me message. I trade on the demo account and I don't have any withdrawal, so that's why I make this video. Either I can't make this type of video. I believe on only trading. So you can see my balance is $98 and my daily withdrawal target is $80 to $100. So now I withdraw $50. Uh, so I click withdraw button. Okay, let's wait because of my network. It's very slow. Okay, okay, it's buffering. Okay, in India you can deposit through UPI option. You can see there is a new option. So if anyone wants to deposit through UPI, they can deposit through UPI option. Okay, wait few more seconds. I think because of my network issue. Okay, it's open now. So I would draw balance in my skill account. So you can see the balance is 98.42 dollars. So first I type my uh, skill ID. Okay, and now I check the dollar price. So I think today is 74 point something. Okay, 74.63. So I would draw 4,000 in one time. So it's 53.60. So I would draw $53 now. Okay, $53. Okay, click a withdraw button. Okay, you can see this is successful message. Okay, so now you can see the payment is progress, pending option, pending payment. So now I need to refresh this page. Okay, you can see now fund is ended. Yeah, you can check the date is 12 November, $53. Fund is ended. Okay, now I think I need to check my skill account. So you can see the balance is zero. Okay, I refresh this page. Okay, you can see the USD is 53, and you can see I received from iqoption limited 53 USD. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I don't believe to make this type of video, but for a few peoples I make this video.